Don't mind my hair. I just gotta show y'all this. Customer wanted his tint done. And he wanted 20. I'm like, alright, but he let me know there was tint on here. This is supposed to be 20%. It faded. Like, look, you can tell. You can see the fade, but when he pulled up, I'm like, I can't tell. It's actually supposed to be 20% on his windshield. That faded. I have never seen nothing like it. Cause this is supposed to be 20%. You can see straight through. Even if he had no tint on the back or whatever. Like look, you can see the little ripples and stuff. You can see it's still tinted. But that's 20% of the this is 15. This is what your tint should look like. So, and this is 3. This is 5. But still. Yeah. Yeah, we gonna get them right, you know. We gonna get them right. We're gonna remove this and we gonna get it popping. We're steaming the windows off now. And we're doing a trash bag method to get this off clean. And when it comes off, it just all peeled away. We ain't got no glue. It, you know, take, I don't know, but we gonna have to see. So stay tuned for the next episode of what the hell? Ooh, I look rough. But we got most of it stripped and tinted. So hold on, let me show you. And that's what 20% looks like. Nice and clean. Yeah. We still got this to do. We still got to take this off. And we got this side to do. This is already shrunk. This is not. But boom, we gotta get that glue out of there first. I think that's glue too. I don't know. We gotta get that out first before we do anything. So, yeah. Stripping the windows is a little bit, yeah. Especially when I ain't had no sun, so. Gotta do what you gotta do. Look, it's gonna start looking darker now. Watch this. And it's done. So yeah. It was a process, but we got it done. And that's all that. And that's all that matters. As long as you get it nice and clean. So, that's it. Nothing else. Bye.